Hello, beautiful souls, and welcome to my channel. I'm Shavita, and don't forget to press the subscribe button if you're watching this and you're enjoying the classes. Well, we're on our 21-day challenge in 2021, and today we are going to focus on helping relieve our lower back and hips. Okay, so let's start the class by lying on the back. So we're going to help loosen our lower back. If we've got a tight lower back and we're a bit sore, we're just gonna focus on that area for the next 10 minutes. So let's hug our knees in and circle one way and circle the other way. So lower backs and hips are connected. And let's just place our feet on the mat. Place your hands on your belly. Take a nice big exhale for 3, 2, 1. Inhale for 3, 2, 1. And allow yourself to be present on the mat just for a few minutes of the day. This is your time where you're connected to your breath and you're just letting go of anything that's not serving you while we're on the mat together. Let's extend one leg and bend one leg. So we're going to interlock our fingers, hug that knee in, pull it into your armpit and rotate your foot one way and rotate your foot the other way. Bring the knee over your body and turn your head away. And you can use the hand. So if your right knee is over your body, your right hand is up. So we're opening up the shoulder and extending that stretch. Don't forget to take some nice, long, deep breaths here. Staying connected to your breath. And always listening to your body as to what you need today. Anytime you feel uncomfortable or any sharp pain, you just stop. Because that's not how it's supposed to feel. It's supposed to be feeling nourishing. So interlock your fingers, hugging that knee in again, into your armpit, circling your foot one way, circling your foot the other way. Bring the knee over your body. Turn your head away and raise the hand above. Now your left and right might feel different, and that's okay. And that's the practice of yoga. We're just learning how to use our bodies, how our body functions, so we'll be able to create some balance in our bodies to help prevent injuries in the future. And then gently release. Let's have the feet nice and wide, and we're going to drop the knees over to the left and pick up your left foot, pop it on top of your right knee. And we're pushing down with the top foot and lifting our hips up. So we're creating space between the hip and the thigh of the right leg. And breathe. And let's change sides. Dropping our knees over to the opposite side, popping the foot on top of the knee, pushing the knee down and feeling that nice stretch on the front of the thigh. And then gently release. And we're going to come up and we're going to come onto our hands and knees. Coming up onto your hands and knees. Let's just do a delicious cat and cow. Inhale, look up. Exhale, look down. Inhale, look up. Exhale, look down. Neutralize your spine. Shoulder to hip and change. And change. Beautiful. Let's just tuck the toes under and come into our downward facing dog. Just walking it out left, right, and left, right. Beautiful. Just bend your knees slightly, lengthen your spine. And just hold it here. Wiggling out your hips left to right if you want to, and then gently straighten and lengthen the hamstrings. Lean forward onto your hands. We're going to drop the knees down and we're going to come lie down on our bellies. Our fingertips are in line with our shoulders. Forehead facing down, and we're just going to inhale, lift up. lifting up the chest. For 3, 2, 1, and then gently release. And again, inhale, lifting up the chest. For 3, 2, 1, gently release. One more time, lifting up. 3, 2, 1. One hand on top of the other. Feet nice and wide. And we're going to lift the thighs off the mat. And then gently release. And again, lifting the thighs off the mat. Gently release. One more time. Inhale, lifting up. And release. Bring the feet together. Bring the hands behind you. We're going to interlock those fingers. Rotate those shoulders back. Forehead down. We're working the upper back, middle back, and lower back now. Inhale, lift up. Great way of improving our posture. And then gently release. Lifting up. And then gently release. One more time. Inhale, lifting up. And then gently release. Bring your hands to the mat. Bring the knees together and let's come into a melting heart. Take a deep breath in and a deep breath out. A deep breath in and a deep breath out. Beautiful. Let's open up those knees and come into child's pose. Breathing in and breathing out. Breathing in and breathing out. Come onto all fours. We're going to tuck the toes under, come to downward facing dog. Walking it out, left, right, and left, right. Let's inhale, lift up the right leg. Bend the knee, open up the hip. And see if you can do some circles of that hip. One way, circle the other way. And then bring that foot to the opposite hand. Extend the leg back, lengthen your spine, and come down. And we're going to hold it here. Beautiful. We're bringing the hands back down. Tuck the back toe under. Come back into downward facing dog. Walking it out. And then let's lift up the other leg. The left leg comes up. Bend the knee. Open up the hip. Circle. And then circle the other way. Then bring the leg up. And take that foot to the opposite hand. Extend the back leg. And then come down. And breathe. Breathing in, breathing out. Breathing in, breathing out. Taking your breath, taking your attention to wherever you're feeling it. Place the hands on the mat, tuck the back toe under, come into downward facing dog. And just walk it out, left, right, left, right. Bend the knees. And then let's just calmly lean forward onto your hands, drop the body down into upward facing dog, and then back up. Nice and gently, remember to listen to your body. Up and down. One more time. Up. Place the knees down, nice and wide. And then we're going to go into a gentle child's pose. Breathing in. Breathing out, breathing in, breathing out. Slowly walk your hands back. We're going to come into sitting. One leg's in front of you, one leg's behind you, one hand beside your hip. Inhale, lift up, push forward with the hips and reach with your finger. And then back down. And again, inhale, lift. And down. One more time. Inhale, lift. Change sides. Beautiful. Hand beside your hips. Inhale, push up. And down. And again, lifting up. And down. One more time. Lifting up. And down. Beautiful. Let's bring the soles of our feet together. Bringing the soles of your feet together. We're interlocking the fingers. And we're just going to butterfly. Butterfly, butterfly. And then gently come to a stop. Sitting cross-legged, we're going to bring the hands up. Opposite hand on opposite knee. Inhale, lengthen the spine. Exhale, twist. Inhale, lengthen the spine. Exhale, twist. Inhale, lengthen and twist. Change sides, lifting up. Exhale, coming down. Inhale, lengthen, twist. Inhale, lengthen, twist. One more time. Inhaling, lengthening and twisting. Coming back into cross-legged position in a comfortable position. Let's just roll the shoulders back and then roll the shoulders forward. Just turn your head from side to side. And then again, turning your head from side to side. Then back to center. Take a nice big exhale for 3, 2, 1. Nice big inhale for 3, 2, 1. And just focus on your breath moving through your body. And as we pause for a moment in our day, let's think of 3 things that we are grateful for today. Inhale each one of those things into your body. Exhale gratitude out into the universe. Inhaling and exhaling. Inhaling and exhaling. Inhaling and exhaling. And then gently, whenever you're ready, you can open your eyes. Well done, beautiful souls. Our 21-day challenge is on its way. I thank you for your time. I thank you for sharing this with me, and I look forward to seeing you tomorrow. Thanks for watching. Bye.